Yeah, big up Bitey and Fancy Cat. You don't know. Just shut up the sitting wicked. Yo, I want to my phone, man. You just know sometimes my phone can go on with some sitting like say. It have a tone mind and it depend. Roti, what you say is a pink t-shirt I do it today. How will you get that t-shirt there? Who bought it? Mommy bought it. You sure your mother buy it? If man buy something for you, no problem. You can't tell me, no? When your mother buy that t-shirt for you? Couple weeks ago. Where it say peace, love, and what? Peace, love, and juicy couture. See, I can't, man. Well, I'm going to see your slippers. How about that? You do your nails? No, I'm bragging your attack. Let me see your heel back. Let me see your heel back. Let me see it. Okay. Let me see your heel back. Let me see your foot bottom. You going to do them later again? Let me see your foot bottom because somehow not ignore the foot. Let me see your foot. Yeah.
I'm going to do them later.
You're going to do them later? All right, I'm going to check them tomorrow because we're not saying nothing, no.
Yeah, that's
We're not saying nothing, no. We're not evil. No, we're not evil. We check them. We are gear black because we're not. That's not terrible, do I know? Them not terrible, do I know? We say it without apology. Foot must stay away where they can be kissed. Yeah, no. Your feet have been kissed? Man, God, you got it like that, Roti. Yeah. Some woman that hype on them foot now get no kiss. No kiss. All of the woman them know so on the foot get kiss up and thing. Walk out right and the right, kick out on the right foot. Kick out on the right foot because they know said when they get kisses upon them. Yo. That kisses upon the toe thing there, you know. It's a art to it, you know. You know, Chris Carr. It's a art to it, man. It's a art to it. You have to know if you kiss a man toe. You understand? But first of all, don't attempt to do it till you see the foot first. And make sure you, because some woman, you know, they will kill the foot with baby oil, you know. And when you hold it, you know, man, mind sharp, you cut up your hand, you know, man. Because the baby oil hide the little sharp edges and all them something there, you know, because foot really chamber, but the baby oil trick you. You understand? So you must feel the foot first. You understand? Chris Croft, be honest now. Talk your truth with God love.
Yeah.
Have you ever kissed a lady's feet?
Never.
Chris Croft, you never kissed a man's foot yet? You never kissed a man's toe yet?
Seriously?
Honestly?
You know this, I'm not a flinch, right?
No, I believe, Kyle, no. I am trained to identify liars, you know. You're not telling.
But Braga, it can be reason though. I am still a young person and there's a lot to learn.
No, Chris God, if you're saying you're still a young person, what are you implying? In relation to me?
Oh, I'm saying that you've been there and done that. I'm not saying.
You're not saying I'm old.
But, you're older.
I'm older.
Yeah.
But not old.
Yeah.
Okay. We just want to make sure, sir, we have that. But Chris God, as a bigger man in I think, I would respectfully submit. If you ever meet a soft foot lady, well kept, clean foot.
Proper way.
Because I remember the foot a step all bout. So, and any woman foot you can't run in upon them. You understand?
Proper way.
Because foot step all bout. And when them are wear slippers, sometimes the foot slide out of the slippers and, right? So preferably right after them done shower. But don't make the shower trick you. Because the most ignored part of a shower is the foot. Right? You have some woman, them wash everywhere else good and don't wash the rest of them body good. You understand? Right? You ever there on some woman and part of them body smell fresh and her next part smell sweaty? Taki got you. That never happened to you.
I would suspect so. There have been instances of smell stuff. So, well, we not really. I see what specific.
I have leant over and with my nose near. I know my nose big.
Yeah.
And my nose pick up. You know what I said, Jeremian? And them face smell fresh. And then when you smell the back of them neck, for example, for some reason them don't beat that part good. The back of them neck. For some reason right there, so don't beat good sometime. And you get a little whiff, touch you, man. Touch you, man. And fix you properly. And you have to slide with quick and look for your watch and find something.
Oh, God.
The back neck back, man. They me always ignore right there, so, you know. The neck back, I don't know what go on there, so. The neck back. It look like, say, you never remember, were you here when we tell you about the back test?
Back test?
Yeah.
No, me probably hear it all.
Well, listen to me. When you meet a woman, one way to know if she really take care of herself. At some point when you hug her, rub your hand on her back. But use the tips of your finger and go on like you're giving her a penetrating massage. Because them like that, you know, them lose their mind. Them start bend up in it and curl up in it for you. But when you do that, you know, I check to see if dirt roll off in your finger. Mm-hmm. You're checking to see if dirt roll off by your finger them. Because, and when I diss the fluffy them, but, you know, them, so it look like I have a problem, I reach them back sometime, you know. All right, only I diss them, so, you know, I Miss Kitty come done with, but the back is very important. They tend to ignore the back. You understand? So if they pay attention to the back, it's almost, you know, a given that the other areas will be. Just by virtue of the back being challenging to reach, it very often poses a significant problem for them. But I'm just saying, as somebody in high school, and so, hey, you know, it's a Mixup An Blenda. You know, my time they might come up. Raga me say ever clean, come rub my back. No dirt, no dirty. Yo, big up Johnny there on TV. You know, Mega Man, Johnny at the boss. And your green shirt fit you. But not lie. Yeah, kind of bright. And then, why prosperity I show up on Johnny, but not lie. Prosperity I show up on Johnny. Prosperity I show up on Johnny. Yeah, I want to know my bread, you know. I want to know my linky. Okay, my one of the MC for Mixup An Blenda, him bossy boy flying. And she bought a sister, where she named Tissia. Tissia, she name. Tissia, she name. How she get that the name there from? How she get that the name there from? I saw like a look of Wobia name, man.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Wallet there. Big up all of the women who always dress sexy anytime when I ask man for money. No. No. Hey, then good for that in a Germany and never come check if you're thinking of some breed that tight up and shut up, man. If you not turn up strong, you know, you give you all your rent money, you know. No, man, I'm if you tell you, man, that's not easy. Yeah, some woman time never come check if you're thinking, man, some breed that clothes and wear. You understand? You can't find them Thursday time, you can't find them Thursday night. As soon as Friday come and look at money run and whatever. Big up the careless woman that we have a birthday every month. Every month them have a birthday. You understand? And the month and birthday always falls somewhere around the 25th of the month, Ph.D. month in time. You understand? Yeah. You observe on Jamaica and you watch. If when you reach the 25th, go down to the end of the month, Jamaican woman them are the sexiest woman them always the pan road. Woman dress the best them time them. You think I lie me I tell you watch and see. When you go down to the end of the month, sometimes at them time the woman them just the sexiest. You watch and see if when pay time I come, them all prepare you, know. Them now so I never prepare. At that time them start touch you upon attack and I build up your ego. Tell you, boy, I don't know the whole of them man, all kind of man, but you just different. You just different, me not lie. You just, me don't know, it's like, and you know when they can't kill it with two, a woman they can't kill it with two that. Me not see. You know when a woman in favorite pick up line. Them always a dream. They can't dream, you see. And you do the things, And in the dream, then you do some things that you can't even do in a real life, you know. But them I tell you, go on good, but not lie, Raga. You mash with the place. You're the man. You understand? But at the same time, we have our little thing to whatever. Now, we know it's enough man left woman in a early to mid-December, because them see the thing I said for the Christmas and the New Year, right? Because regular time that man left woman, you know. There's 2 times man left woman enough. Early to mid-December and early February before Valentine's Day. I don't know that too. I don't know that. Don't you know that belly as your dust coming, don't it?
No.
Say man always a left woman early to mid-December and early February.
I don't know.
Yeah. Excuse me? What you say, you know now because me tell you or your man left you?
I don't know because you told me.
Were you a December broke up victim too?
No, dear.
Okay, just asking. Chris Grass, tune! Man, if you never get your pedal and wheel, and if you never get your banana peel, man, if you want to know good loving feel. Well, I stop it. Me not disrespect the thing. But you know, say it always pose me with being man really, I say this, I mean, want to talk the truth, one thing. If Beanie Man I say, big up the ghetto girl, if you want a wicked Islam. And then he's laying out the situations where, have you never been in those situations? If you get access to a ghetto girl, you will be able to experience those situations. And if those situations are as follows. So if Beanie Man say, in order to get a ghetto girl, you can't get them things. Listen or not, follow me now. Him say, if you never get your pedal and wheel, I mean, the phone are too young for me, but Jermaine, what are they? You know remember that song? Pedal and wheel. How would they do it? One of them old time DJ they sing. But here you know, him say, and if you never get your banana peel. So I am asking, what is Beanie Man talking about there? If Beanie Man say, if you never get your banana, start over my song.
Well, this is like a menace to the society.
Yo, Shelly Ebony say, big up the near tech where I beg panty pin. Shelly Ebony, Santana say, big up the near tech where I beg panty pin. I wonder if Albon this shit
Is a hot girl, no one me if you black girl. Pull yourself and quote girl. This is where me chat girl. You tight like a nut girl. Now no time for going up. How we go with my father on the bowl of them.
Me not make no friend from none of them. I want it the right this up. Oh, Jesus. A party we say no. Party we a party up in this mother. That was grammatical occurring. Okay, it's about 6 minutes at 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for... Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Pope, what, Jesus, anything can really go. So, and you see that one here today, Jeremy and Chris Grass, you see that, can you believe it? It show you how some man out there just make it bad for other man. You understand? But just show you how some damn little idiot, fool, Koro, never see come see Gladys man out there just make it bad for the other man and we try to hold it. You see, listen, that can you believe it? Woman cheats on husband, gets pregnant, blames it on 3D. Woman cheats on husband, gets pregnant, blames it on 3D. Listen up. An American woman who claims that she became pregnant after watching a 3D porno. Oh, well, yeah, after watching 3D porno. U.S. military man Eric Johnson came home from a stint in Iraq to find that his wife was pregnant. Clearly, he assumed she had an affair. But his wife, Jennifer, claims the so-called other man was actually someone a little less physical. It seems he actually buys her story, however. I see it as suspicious. The films in 3D are very real. With today's technology, anything is possible, he said. What's even more interesting is that both Jennifer and Eric are white, but the child is black. Well, I'm forgetting about Tambourine. Tambourine! Jennifer claims the kid... People, a real thing I tell her, it's not joke. A real stuff, I'm never finished with it. Jennifer claims the kid looks like the black porn star she had been ogling, meaning watching and lusting after. She also claims that this was one of the first times she's watched porn and only went with friends for the 3D effect. Tech Eye did a survey of one person and found 100% would say the same thing in a similar situation. You get that? Even though my husband believed in me, my marriage could be at risk, Jennifer said. But he knows I'm faithful. It just shows you what joining the military does to your head. Jennifer explained. With some black people I have sex. And they watch me, I watch it. My black brother in the woman they like. 2 minutes I watch him. I go breed. And that's what I'm saying. Hear the damn idiot now. He must say, oh, well, you never know, you know, because you see today's technology, me I tell you, you know, them technology, them not easy, you know, them will do some things here, you don't even know, so them happen. So, oh, you know, say, me not put it past them, and say, my wife, you know, watch one black porn blues and thing, and then she just get fat up on her neighbor, push out and beer things. You understand? Me not put it past them. You see them technology there? I remember in the heterosexual, prank call, she said, "Is that MTV? Them MTV, them MTV. That's what's corrupting the people, right?" Now you tell me now, which rock this a man that did a hide under? Better yet, what is even more scary? This man who believes him wife did a watch blues. And so she breed because she did a watch porn movie. That's why she breed. Because she did a watch one black man a senator and in a one blues. That's why she breed. This same man who believe this have some big gun that walk around and kill people.
Gangster for life.
No. This is no wonder I'm going to the military. Couldn't get no other job. Him could not get any other job. Him probably said, "No, you come in here, and what you do, you just can peel potato. That's all they're going to peel potato. Peel potato, that's your job. Don't think, don't concentrate on anything, because that could be dangerous. That could be, if you think, somebody could die. You understand? Don't think, just like, you know, just peel potato. I don't probably put him and say, "Listen now, this is your job, you're a sentry. You just point left all the time. Keep pointing left." It's having be like a no-brainer activity. The man actually believes, I mean, this is the ultimate denial, you know. I mean, this redefines denial, you know. Right? If you, as a man, a big man, can believe, say, your wife breed from watching porn movie and blues and all them things, why, with all due respect, why you even exist? Why you even have a woman? You understand? When him, you know, him shouldn't have a woman, you know. When him a call film woman, him should have said. Anyway, there you have it, people. That was...
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk of the things them.
Okay, callers, we're going to beg you just hold on a little bit. We have like about 10-15 minutes at it. But just want the next Love in Day the first, I will play a prank call. Want the next Love in Day, and I will play one of my favorite prank calls on back then. But before we play that, I just want to inform you people that you may not have known, but there's been a bit of a calamity downtown, right? Some of the animals escaped from a pet shop, and Mayor Mackenzie is having a warm time down there with members of the National Solid Waste Management, you know, Joan Gordon-Webley and her team, and the KSAC having a warm time down there catching back the animals that escaped from the pet shop. So it's very serious. When you're driving down there, be very careful so that you don't kill the animals from the pet. But let me not say that, because Lloyd Lovindeer heard about it and he has some commentary on the matter. Let's hear it from Lloyd Lovindeer.
Here's a special item of news. The Puss and Dog pet shop in downtown Kingston was last night broken into, causing all the animals to escape. Most of the dogs have since been recaptured, but groups of pussies have been roaming all over the city. The pet shop regrets the incident.
Catch the dog there, but they never catch the puss them.
On the run.
Turn us on the run. Turn up, bring down my voice and turn up.
Paper bun.
Well, start it over. I would love to make clarification. Stop. Where we live? What country is this?
Jamaica.
Right? And what we call cat?
Puss.
So, you go to school, don't it?
Proper way.
And you know about single and plural, don't it, crisscross? So, when you have one, what you say? One what?
One puss.
What you say?
One puss.
What you say, crisscross?
One puss.
You never school, crisscross. You go school. And you learn the things that come you there, we are now. So what you say with one? What you say, one what?
One puss.
And if it's more than one, you say two what?
Pussies.
Two what?
Pussies.
Three what?
Pussies.
Four what?
Pussies.
And one what?
Pussies.
What?
Oh, wait. No, I mean...
Here's a special item of news. The Puss and Dog Pet Shop in downtown Kingston was last night broken into, causing all the animals to escape. Most of the dogs have since been recaptured, but groups of pussies have been roaming all over the city. The pet shop regrets the incident, and efforts are being made to catch every puss now on the run. Here's a special item of news. The Puss and Dog Pet Shop in downtown Kingston was last night broken into, causing all the animals to escape. Most of the dogs have since been recaptured, but groups of pussies have been roaming all over the city. The pet shop regrets the incident, and efforts are being made to catch every puss now on the run. All puss on the run. The free paper bun. The puss catcher come. Yeah, man. I am the puss catcher. I just want to make it clear. I am the puss catcher. I know lots of puss in here. I am the puss catcher, and the puss is on the run. I am the puss catcher, and catching a puss is fun. I hear a puss over here. I hear a puss over there. Puss posse jumping in here. Puss jumping up everywhere. The puss is in the party. The puss is in the fete. The puss is in the party.
Stop, because we have another clarification to make. Are you aware of verb-subject agreement, crisscross?
I should think so.
You are aware of verb-subject agreement. And what is the basic rule with verb-subject agreement?
Verb-subject agreement?
Yes.
I remember you're talking.
Okay.
Yeah. But
a singular verb
takes out
a singular noun. I'll put it another way. A singular noun takes a singular verb. Okay?
Yeah, no.
So when people say we was, that is incorrect.
Yeah.
Because that is a plural noun. No, plural. And then was is singular. That can't work. So if you're talking about one puss, you said the puss is.
Yeah.
But if you're talking about two, you said the puss are. So it's the puss are or the puss is.
Yeah.
Now we don't want people to get it twisted.
Yeah.
Some people hear the puss is. I'm going to put them together and get it twisted. Play about the tune from the top now.
Here's a special item of news. The Puss and Dog Pet Shop in downtown Kingston was last night broken into, causing all the animals to escape. Most of the dogs have since been recaptured, but groups of pussies have been roaming all over the city. The pet shop regrets the incident, and efforts are being made to catch every puss now on the run. All puss on the run. The free paper bun. The puss catcher come. Yeah, man. I am the puss catcher. I just want to make it clear. I am the puss catcher. I know lots of puss in here. I am the puss catcher, and the puss is on the run. I am the puss catcher, and catching a puss is fun. I hear a puss over here. I hear a puss over there. Puss posse jumping in here. Puss jumping up everywhere. The puss is in the party. The puss is in the fete. The puss is in the party. Working up a sweat. The puss is in the party. The puss is in the fete. The puss is in the party. Working up a sweat. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up. Getting hot, getting hot. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, getting hot, getting hot. Come, find the puss, 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 cool it down, cool it down. Find the puss, 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 cool it down, cool it down.
No care how it fight and bite. I come as a puss catcher. That fat puss is in my sight. You know I'm the puss catcher. I must catch a puss tonight. Yeah, I hear a puss over here. I hear a puss over here. Puss posse jumping in here. Puss jumping up everywhere. The puss is in the party. The puss is in the fat. The puss is in the party. Working up a sweat. The puss is in the party. The puss is in the fat. The puss is in the party. Working up a sweat. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. Getting hot, getting hot. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. The puss is jumping up, jumping up. Make us see the Condom.
Find the puss, find the puss, find the puss, find the puss, find the puss. Cool it down, cool it down. Find it, 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 find the puss, find the puss, find the puss. Pussycat, pussycat,
Where can you be?
Jumping up in a pussycat party.
Pussycat, pussycat, what do you see?
I see a puss catcher running after me.
find the puss, find the puss, find the puss, find the puss, find the puss. Cool it down, cool it down. Find the puss, find the puss, find the puss, find the puss, find the puss.
Hold it down. Where the puss?
The puss is in the party, the puss is in the fat, the puss is in the party, working up a sweat. The puss is in the party, the puss is in the fat, the puss is in the party, working up a sweat.
This is a all-night party.
Party, we are party. You ever wonder why women like to hear that song?
Yeah.
Women like that sound. I don't.
But just as an white as I do that, I'll bully for woman. I say, oh.
Raga, you just go. Do your thing, Raga. Do your thing. Make that sound.
One record, right, this one.
Yeah, you know who bad panda sound they do? Bad boy Trevor, man, I ain't bossy. Oh, you know so. Because I'm knocking with it one day, I'll mash up here, dog. Don't it?
I'm a good listener.
You're,
I'm a good listener.
You're a good listener.
He was on the show once.
Okay. Now my Trevor just go up and say, ladies, and just get it, the dramatic pause and say, woman lose that mind, man. Get up and jump up. That's why I can't take him, I'm just good see when him do it, so I no lie. No lie. Anytime him do it, I don't want to see my morning,
Yeah, I'm the only man ever speaking in tongues.
Yo, that bad. Trevor, the man Chris Grass said, yeah, the wickedest thing when you speak in tongues, man. Yeah, the wickedest thing when you speak in tongues. Okay. And Trevor, let me tell you something, man. You say anytime woman trouble you, don't make no woman beat you up and make them get you with it. Anytime woman come beat you up and whatever, lick out them class, Trevor. That me say. Lick out them watch it, not just. Bad boy, Trevor. Yo, people, we are going to look at patience, but you don't know it's around them Christmas time and holiday time. Me play my favorite prank calls them from abroad, and today we're going to play the one when I'm in the closet, right? And basically, the one, my name again, what? A nephew. Call somebody, and I go on like say, him. I go on like say, him lock up in a, you never hear that one?
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, man. Like him lock up in a closet and drug dealer there and be a things and him a trick the man and thing. So, all right, yo, send another one that name in the closet. Rinse it. G Cool, you ever like that one? G Cool.
Go ahead. Listen, I got a prank on. I called this guy
like that
as if I was in a closet, and some people have broken the house.
Turn. Well, I started. Tony,
go ahead. Listen, I got a prank on. I called this guy and acted as if I was in a closet, and some people had broken the house, and they was looking for me. So I'm whispering, and he is in all outrage trying to help me get out of it. Check him out.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, who this?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, barely. Who's this?
This Raymond.
Man, speak up. I can't hear you. Who?
This is Raymond.
Man, speak up. I can't hear you. Who is this?
Raymond. Veranda is my sister.
Veranda brother?
Yes.
What's up, man? What's up?
Somebody done broke in our house. They in the house right now. I'm in the...
Hold on. Man, I barely can hear you. What you saying? Somebody done what?
Somebody done broke in our house.
Well, why the hell you whispering?
Because they in the house right now. I'm scared.
Wait a minute. You saying somebody done broke in the damn house and they still in there?
Somebody done broke in the house. I'm in the house now.
Hold on. Wait a minute. You saying somebody done broke into your damn house and they still in there?
Yes.
Well, what the you doing sitting up in there? Why you ain't call the police?
I'm in the closet. And I'm trying to get somebody to...
Hold on.
I don't know what to do.
Man, you saying somebody in the house, in your damn house right now? Oh, this stuff. Okay, where you live at?
I'm on 36th Street.
Because I'm at 32 and a half. You know what? Hold on. I'm going to call the laws now.
Wait.
Man, you know what? What?
Wait a minute. Don't call the police.
You send your to the house, somebody sitting up here finna kill you, and you talking about you don't want them arrested?
We got some illegal stuff in the house. Don't call nobody.
Wait a minute. Wait. Now, you saying, hold on. You saying don't call the damn law. You have some what in the house?
Don't call nobody because we got it. I got illegal in the house. Don't do it.
Man, what the you got now? Man, you know what? This is bad, Doc. You know what? You sitting your up in there. That's probably why they in that damn house. Now, you done set your up in the house. That's who in there now. I guarantee you that. What you got in there?
I can't say it. I just want you to help me.
You know what, man? Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you the best thing to do. Even though the people in your house right now, you need to just let me call. Man, you need to let me call the damn law. Because I'm going to tell you right now, you can get your much ass killed.
Don't do that. Don't call.
But you know what, man? I'm going to tell you that. I'm not going to go out there. You don't stay down there. I'm going to tell you now. I can call the law. I can call the law. Hold on. I can get my wife to call right now.
Don't call the police. Don't call them. Because it's too much illegal stuff in the house. Don't do it, please.
I'm talking to my wife.
Don't do it. Don't call the police.
Man, but I'm going to tell you something, man. Honestly, I can't do a thing because I ain't going to go down there. Now, I'm going to tell you something. This fool's up here telling me don't even call the damn law. You know what, man? Look at here, Doc. I'm going to be honest with you. I ain't going to go down there. I'm going to tell you right down now. You know what? Now, first thing I'm going to tell you now. Now, I ain't going to take my down there. First of all, they may be tapping my damn line. And I ain't got to do with this. You going to get your killed on your own. Doc, listen. Man, look. I can call 911. Hold on. Baby, look, go ahead and call her. Because you know what? You're going to get your killed down there.
They don't know who you are. I bet,
man, you know what? And I ain't going to sit on the phone with you so they can find out. Because you know what? No offense, Doc. Listen, I call the law. I ain't getting in that. Man, you must be a damn fool. I ain't gonna get in that one. So I'm gonna tell you what you can do. Doc, I call the law. I'm gonna have my wife right now. You know what? You may not like it now, but you appreciate me later, because you know when you're gonna get your monkey ass.
Wait a minute. Just whisper. I think they outside.
Man, you know what? This is some crazy Doc, you done set your ass up.
Shh, don't say nothing.
I'm gonna call your sister for one.
Don't say.
She's sitting up there talking about not calling the damn law. Damn fool. You better keep your monkey ass in that closet. I'm going to tell you right now, you're a damn fool. You walk out, because I'm going to tell you now, they sure going to kill your stupid ass. Man, you know what? I ain't going to lie to you, man. The only thing I can tell you, damn, I can call the law. You finna go down. And I'm going to tell you now, I ain't going down with your ass. I don't know why you really even call me unless you want some help. Because I'm going to tell you right now, I ain't going to jeopardize myself nor my damn family over your around here. The only thing I can do, I can help you out in one way. I can call the law. Now, my wife got a cell phone. What you want me to do?
Will you come get me?
You must be a damn fool. I'm like, hell no, I ain't going down. But I ain't going. You know what, man? Look, I can't get in that. And my wife and I already called the police. I'm gonna tell you right now, they finna come.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Shut your damn mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Shut your damn mouth right now.
Can you hear me?
Shut up. They don't know in the house. That's why they gonna shoot the shit out of it. Don't peek out that damn door.
Can I say something?
Man, you need to shut your damn mouth.
This is nephew Tommy from the Steve Harvey Morning Show.
You know what?
You just got pranked by
man,
your boy
y'all
Wendell. You just got pranked.
Boy, y'all some dirty. I know damn well, man.
No, you just got pranked by your boy Wendell, man.
I'm sweating like hell, sitting up in this damn house with drawers on, man. And you sit up here, want to play with... Man, look at here, boy, I'm sweating like hell.
Why you sweating?
You was finna die because I damn sure no one's finna come down to the house. That's for sure.
I know you weren't coming to I heard it in your voice. I said, okay, you know what? He ain't coming to get me.
Man, I'm sitting up in here right now, man. I might need to take off from work, boy. I'm sweating like hell sitting up in here, though.
Hey, let me ask you something, man. What is the baddest radio show in the land?
Can't be nobody but the Steve Harvey's Morning Show with none other than nephew Tommy with his crazy.
Tommy, on the real, that's the best one. No, Tommy, that's the best one. If that brother called you, he said, you gonna mess around and get your monkey ass. If that boy 43, we'll be right back.
Yo, that one the shot, but it can't touch kidney. It can't touch kidney and pancreas, man. Pancreas. Eh? Pull up, eh? No, Buddha call, take. What, Buddha call, we have time for Buddha call? Okay, we play Buddha call tomorrow. People, I mean, those of you who've been listening to this show since Dine Kingdom come, you're familiar with these. And you know that I love to laugh. You know, I mean, say laugh and craziness and whatever. So we just search a thing. I will always play my favorites. Okay. All right, people. Well, you don't know, it's after 3 o'clock we go to the phone lines. And somebody were thinking that we have fun here and think. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Yes. Hello. Yeah, man. What? Yeah. Talk up.
Yeah, I'm the person that ended the show yesterday. You said you wanted me to call back.
Yeah. What did I talk to you about again? Yeah.
My one-time experience with this other lady.
Okay. Are you did your husband did a travel and do what he work abroad?
Yes.
And then fear husband was away for a long time too, right? And then the two in a similar position and they start support each other. And then you say one night out of the blue on end up and do the things them.
Yes, rather.
And you say and that was what, 6 years ago?
6 years ago, and I mean I remember it like it was yesterday.
And you remember it like it was yesterday. And you say even right now and you should draw for you again, you're gonna do the things them with her again.
Yeah, right now we're too far away, but I mean it's like if we could arrange it. So that both of us would be at the same place, I'm sure.
But I find that interesting that you do that. You say you did do it with her 2 times, right?
Yes, twice. The first time at her house, second time at my house.
Okay.
First time was like an accident.
Was an accident? Hold on. How is it that you can accidentally sleep with a woman for the first time? Accidentally? What do you mean by accident? What you do? You did a walk and you buck your foot and you just drop right between her?
No, we didn't plan it. We were there to support each other because both of us are two attractive ladies, right?
Right.
And a lot of guys. And neither of us wanted to, to give birth.
None only did want to go born on a man, right?
Exactly. Which is the strangest thing. So we would go out together. We go to other people, of course, in groups.
Right.
And this particular night, we had gone out as a group, but I had to go to her house for something, and I mean, we were at her house and accidentally brushed, and it's like.
Well on. Accidentally brush. Which part brush?
All right. When you're around a girl that you're comfortable with,
right,
and you're coming from a club and you look tipsy, and you might even have on a jacket, you might take off a jacket and somebody say, wow, so, you know? But
so, on come in from the club and they look tipsy, right?
Yes, the first time it was alcohol induced.
It was alcohol. Okay. So they did down the liquor. Were you drunk or were you just tipsy?
Tipsy.
Okay, so go and explain how it lead up to the brushing.
Well, that part, you see, it's kind of weird. I always run it over my head and say, how did we get there? I remember she brushed me by accident, and then I felt, you know, and I said, whoa.
Well on. Where she brush you?
Her, it wasn't a supposedly sexual touch.
It wasn't a sexual touch, but she brushed against your body somewhere. But where on your body she brushed?
We were talking about sculpting.
You're talking about what?
You know, you'd make a sculpture, you use clay and stuff.
Yeah,
That was kind of like her hobby.
Her hobby, she do sculpting.
Right.
So, and she used clay, so she good with her hands then. She know for you do things with her hands, yeah.
So she only brushed me like to say, like the part when she's doing her sculpting.
Yeah.
The part that she bring out as an emphasis.
Right. And which part was that? Huh?
Yeah, like my belly and things. She never touched any. She just, like my belly should, like the statue at Emancipation Park.
Yeah.
Where the black woman does have a little tubes of things there of belly and that kind of thing.
Okay.
Right.
So when she touch your belly, what you do? You feel a little tingle and excitement and sitting.
And then with the alcohol, I had a surge of braveness.
A surge of what?
Braveness.
Braveness. Okay.
I'm always a very shy person. But I just, so I said I wanted to do it. So I mean.
So hold on. Me want to know, because if you say she never did really move to you or nothing when she had touched your belly. When you feel that when I touch, what you do right after that? When you say you get brave after she touch you, you get brave. What you do?
But I want to learn the sculpting thing too. So if you she touch on my belly. So why I can't touch you? I just no.
She said no.
I moved to her.
Okay.
Me first moved to her, rather.
You moved to her?
Yeah.
Oh. So then you moved to her now. Like, what was the first thing you do? If you say, on a cross the line then?
Her.
Huh?
I went up behind her. I touched her. Her back is to me. I touched her on her arms.
Her arms?
Apparently, because she said, no. And I said, but why? And I moved my hand around.
Okay, don't give me no details when you move your hand around. You don't need to tell me anymore right there, so no. Can we get the picture? But basically, after she never did do anything sexual around you and just explain her sculpt, what she do, sculpting or whatever,
yes,
and touch your belly, her hobby, you get a little feeling and thing, and then you step to her after that. And then you go around behind her and you start caress her and then you move around your hand and we don't need for you.
Really, it wasn't like a caress, like it was like an exploration.
Oh, you were exploring her body and perhaps her mind also.
Yes.
Okay.
But you see, that's the funny thing. Because the moment I moved from holding her two arms back way, and I brought my arms around to the front and cup whatever I was there just to touch it, I was like, damn, how does it feel? It feels different.
All right, okay, all right. Stop. We can't go into that much details right there, sir. But tell me something. You ever tell me, say, it never crossed your mind before that to do anything with that woman, or just a night there alone it come up, and you are the one who has stepped to her and I do the things, then?
It crossed my mind before. Because when you're around in certain situations, you eat a lot. But with my good friend, because she was my good friend, very good friend, it never, ever crossed my mind before.
Never crossed your...
No.
It's just at night they'd come up. But it did cross your mind before, but not with your good friend.
Because, you see it, everywhere you go, you see these kind of things and it crosses your mind. And to me, it was revolting, Raga.
It was a what?
Revolting.
You mean lesbianism was revolting to you? It was disgusting?
Yes. Yes, Raga.
So you did a burn it out before, but that night there you feel it?
Exactly.
How you explain that?
You did say no counseling today, then.
Oh, no, we're not counsel, but we're exploring, though. We're exploring.
Like I said, no, so that first time was accident. The second time, we kind of planned it. And we made sure, the time was right and thing.
On a planet, listen, them I tell like we have all of the line them full, but what me want to say is this, I find it fascinating. You know, say me talk it straight and plain, right? When you hear me say boom, bam, bam, I'm not going to waste my time, I kill homosexual and whatever. And sitting. No man to me link like that and whatever, it would just never happen. I know my thing that. But at the same time, me don't feel the need to go about me and kill gay people. I think it's damn foolishness that and whatever. But at the same time, you have some people, them find it necessary to get up every day 24/7 and a burn out lesbian and a burn out gay. And them cannot let it go. Them just have to depend on it. You know what's me afraid of them people, Because me I listen to you right now and what you say is that you find, not so me afraid of you, me just, what me I say is that me I learn something from you right now in the sense that basically you say you did burn out lesbianism, you found it revolting and you found it disgusting, but at the night there, you are the one who initiated it.
Never say never.
You say,
sometimes when I say that.
No, you can't say never to something. There's nothing right. Would you ever molest a 2-year-old girl? No. And you can confidently say never. The phone there do something. Some phone that cause problem here. Are you your phone?
No, my phone is up.
No man, something that caused terrible feedback. Okay, all right then. We'll sort it out. Yeah, but you understand what I say? You have there's sometimes people think them know themselves, but them really don't know what them are doing in a given situation. And the ones them where you hear, them feel a need for walk around and a burn out the thing. That's me I say, yo, if that's not you, you know no need for go around and a burn it out every day. So you see them people who feel a need for get up every day and a talk about it in the case of them a burn it out, me always weary of them people. Because me not so sure them know themselves. You understand?
Yeah, and I thought I knew me because I'm not a young girl and I'm a big woman and I thought I knew me.
See it there?
And it shocked me.
All right, but you probably don't want to call it an accident, but you mean that it wasn't planned.
It wasn't planned.
It wasn't planned.
What also surprised me was that the feeling I have was stronger than with men.
The feeling that you have for woman is stronger than the one you have for man.
No, not woman, that particular
particular. Oh, yes, because you had made the point that you know what, no other woman but she.
And the feeling I have with her, it is stronger than I've ever had with any man that I've ever been with.
So let me ask you something. But you're saying the feeling that you have with her is stronger than than with any man that you have ever been with. And you say after 6 years, you're still married to your husband, but you cannot forget her and so. But with all of this, you're also saying you're not a lesbian?
No, I'm not. And I'm not bi either.
Are you not bisexual? Darling, with all due respect, you don't think that is absurd? You have this great passionate love for this one particular woman. You have enjoyed her immensely sexually. You enjoy to the point where 6 years later, you cannot forget it. It's consuming you. And you're saying, one, you're not a lesbian, two, you're not bisexual. That doesn't figure. Don't you think that you're in denial and you still don't want to face a certain thing about yourself?
All right. I'm in denial.
No, I am asking you.
Well, all right. What I consider bisexual is if you're constantly attracted to. For instance, I hear you talk all the while about Lisa Hannah. Please. I wouldn't. You understand what I mean? I hear a lot of men talk about Halle Berry. And
when you say you're not attracted to Lisa Hannah, you don't feel okay. I hear your man talk about Aliberry, auntie. You know, feel nothing fear. Darling, you seem to think that a lesbian or a woman who loves other woman and man and thus being defined as a bisexual has to be one who can find a lot of women, a woman who can find several women attractive, and that such is not the case. You can only find one woman attractive. You can only have sex with one woman as a woman, and if you're having sex with men also, then you're bisexual, or if you're having sex with men also and you're not enjoying them, but it's just that woman who you're with, then perhaps you're a lesbian. Now, definitions might not be important here. I'm just saying I find it interesting that, you still, choose to say that you're neither a bisexual nor a lesbian, but you remain passionately connected to this woman with whom you had sex with 2 times 6 years ago.
Well, maybe I'm in denial because, around my circles, that's not accepted.
So there's some pressure there to conform and be, quote, normal, end quote, in your circles.
Yes, I get, yes,
Okay.
something like that.
Let me ask you this straight up. Suppose that woman were to reach a point where she said she wants to be with you permanently. Is there a possibility that you could leave your husband for this woman?
Reggae, there's not a month that passed that I don't think and ask myself that very same question.
And what's the closest honest answer you came up with? Be honest.
No.
No, you would never leave your husband for her?
No, because of my family.
That's your family, okay. You have children?
Well, yes, Reggae.
Okay.
But if there was a chance, for instance, like, if we could be living, like, in the same state,
yeah,
I would keep her as my bonner.
You would keep her as your bonner woman?
Yes.
Okay, so you would bond your man with her, if you could. If you could have a situation where you could have them both, you would have her on the side as your female lover on the side while still keeping your husband.
Something like that.
All right. Listen, thank you for being honest with me and so forth. And, I can assure you, you have stirred a great many debate out there. And all heap of people are listening and talk up the things right now and argue and so forth. But again, that's how the show set up. People just free up and talk about some of the challenges and struggles when they go through and things. So we appreciate you calling in and being candid with us and sharing with us and so forth. All right? And listen, we wish you all the best for the holidays and so forth and so forth. But if I may humbly suggest to you also, while you continue to explore and try to find out, what's going on inside here and better understand so forth and things like that. Like, I'm really glad that there's something inside of you that's saying that you have a family and that you respect your family and so forth. And
also respect my husband.
And you respect your husband, right. He's a part of your family. How many children do you have?
2.
2 children, okay. So I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best for the coming new year, prosperity and strength and growth and everything, all right?
Okay, brother.
Blessings and respect.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Oh, Jesus. I'm nervous.
You're nerving us?
Yes.
Don't worry, darling. You need not be nervous because you are speaking to
Raga.
Uncle Raka. What's up?
Okay.
What's up?
Me one of the girls them when I give on.
Right, right.
Me have 2 months. I'm not getting another 2 years.
Yeah.
And we got into a fight.
No. Talk up in iPhone.
Okay, we got into a fight.
No, you're doing something where your mouth and move it from the phone.
No, it's just that I have frightened. So when I get nervous, I get.
Okay, all right, listen now. Stop for a second here. When you get nervous, you're moving the phone away from your mouth here. Well, I can't hear you.
So you hearing me now?
Right, that's how it must be, yeah?
All right.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I've been living with one for 2 years.
Right.
And we got into a fight.
Right.
And we end up locking him up and be there jail.
Right.
He spent 2 nights at jail.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, the key one, number 2.
Yeah.
It's like, man, I'm going to come to my shop, come buy my thing, come do my thing.
Right.
And you know, say, when people come to my shop, you make them carry them scanner bag.
Right.
Yeah, so it's kind of like the end up tear or something like the goods, you know?
Right.
And when we go home now, the guy I'm there, you know, him want to shop. And him end up, when he come out of the shop now, him see the scandal bag.
Yeah.
Like piece of the scandal bag.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know, shocked. And then him, we tell him I like...
Hold on. A code you use?
Yeah. All right, we are doing the things.
Okay, so it's a condom then?
Yes.
And the condom tear?
Works.
So,
yes.
And when you go home, your man's a piece of the tear condom?
Yeah, like when we know what the
what the tear condom did there? What the piece of tear condom did there? Don't tell me say I don't decide. And when the backside is, the condom tear and piece of the tear condom they left down there, so?
Yes.
And then your gentleman come for sister it down there, so?
Like when him put it in.
No, you can't give with them details, but just careful. So when
him does, I hear what I say.
Well, basically, he come back out with it.
Yes, on him.
And when he come back out, so him go in your living room, and when he come out back out of your living room, piece of the man clothes when he left in your living room, they pan him, don't it?
Exactly.
Code where I use carpet about. And then so when him see piece of that pan him now, what him say now?
Obviously when I use it, so him never cuss or something, somebody just calm, let him say calm down. Remember the time when you was at work, I'ma call you until I see I'm alone, you ain't the phone of me yes. Maybe take one of your condom we have and catch water in it. In the fridge.
I put it in the fridge.
And it freeze and get hard and some use any bird.
Okay, all right. Okay, no more about that.
Yeah, so.
I didn't believe you when you tell him that.
Yes, he believes me.
With all due respect, your man, I eat that.
No, exactly, yes.
Am I eat that?
Yes.
Am I? Usually when them things that tear, them don't tear for leave peace. Them just burst.
The head.
Oh, man, okay. Oh, Lord, that's true. That part there. No, so, you're right. That has happened before. I break. We soon forward. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, man, welcome back. Oh, God, I lie you tell. We lost a caller there. We really lose a caller there. I'm never get female ask her like, say, give her that the thing freezing at the freezer and it's so cool. How she manage? Hey, Michelle. Eh? Hold on. Fix this, man. Oh. Okay, alrighty. Oh, yeah. What I say is, with all due respect, if she freeze the thing in the fridge with it, whatever, that sound very cool, though. I can't. Germany never hear that one there. Ice?
Bye.
Ice? No, me no. What? According to Fia's story, she never do that, She just tell him that. So it's not that she do it. You understand? You don't understand what I want? Do you understand how she reach a point then? You understand the story up to that point?
Yeah, I understand all the scandal bag they left on the ground.
Right.
Yeah.
Scandal bag and where I use code. In the ground. And how him come up to piece of the scandal bag. What she has said, she did lonely. And take out one of the things and full it of water, freeze it, and then use it. And I saw it tear. You just get it.
No, did he believe her?
No, she saying believe her. That's why I say, but with all due respect, your man is a damn idiot. And she said, yeah.
Oh my God. And I like say something where, it have a shape. So if you freeze water in it to take the shape of the thing, no, it will expand because it's ice.
You can't put it in a something for it all its shape.
Well, but no, sir.
The story. The story not add up that apart there. But again, the point is, she's not saying she did that. She just said she come up with a story there and tell him, and him believe it.
I wonder that's right.
But that's that well cool. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
You use the ice, sir. Do you feel good?
What you mean you use the ice? What you mean?
I freeze it, In a tray and take out it and use it.
You freeze it in what kind of tray?
The long one.
You have a long tray where you can freeze like that?
Yes.
The ice tray, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you take out the ice tray and use it?
Yes.
A joke can make, are you serious?
Serious.
Then the cold no cramp you?
Yeah, cramp me till I can't feel it.
It what?
It cramp me till I cannot feel it.
It cramp you till it numb. Where the clot me are here? Well, a real thing you talk?
Yes, Raga.
Well, you don't have any other woman who do them something?
No.
Okay, but you say you use the ice already?
Yes.
And you just freeze it in the shape what you want?
Yes.
And you use it service yourself?
Yes.
Then tell me something, you know. Then when you do it, it must melt quick then, man?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. So how you come here use ice and do them thing then?
Feel tipsy.
Tipsy?
Yes.
So when you're tipsy, you just go try something like that?
Yes.
Okay. Why me just...
That my coffee tell you.
I'm gonna take, but it just amazing to me because me that thing say, if somebody asks me, I say no, woman don't want to do it because the cool with the freezing thing with that mashing up right there. So it's just fascinating to me that you have woman who do that, use the ice there, so
Yeah.
And thing. And you did enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
Okay, and then so when you do it till a point there?
Yes.
You did reach that point there?
Yes.
You did reach the ball out point?
Yes.
Okay, all right then. Okay. When you think you've heard it all, I will never look a nice the same again. Come to think of it, some man I got things that no, even the ice may have to damn compete with the ice tray them. In rich here, Andrew, when we buy ice tray, we have to go look out though. Yo, no, I don't want a tray there, We want the one with the whole heap of cube them. We want the one with the whole heap of square them. We don't want no long ice tray. We don't want nothing with the ice make long. What you take man for? Yeah. I want melt man ice when man not there. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
What's up?
I'm a first time caller and a long time listener.
All right.
Okay. Hi, Rago.
Hi, sweetie.
I was shy like crazy.
Oh, you're shy. It's okay.
Like what?
I know, baby. But remember, me, I talk to you, and I'm here to take care of you and make you feel comfortable and make you feel nice.
You know, so actually, I was told if we give you a door.
Okay, speak a little louder.
Okay, it's the young lady who called earlier about the condom.
Yeah.
Okay, I had a similar experience,
You had a similar experience?
Yes.
What happened to you, darling?
It wasn't a piece, it was a full one.
A full one? No, I have heard. No, that me know about.
Okay, tell you what.
Yeah, so how it did that me know?
Believe me, I tremble like what?
It's okay. Take your time. Take a deep breath. Go so. Do that.
Yeah, man.
All right, you're good? Okay, tell me how that happened.
Well, tell you what, I will call you back. Honest to God.
All right, you don't want to try again. Eh?
We have a call you back. We don't really want to hold up your time.
Okay, but you say you had a similar experience where the whole light did left there, so. The whole condom did left there, so.
I love you, yeah?
I love you too,
Yeah, man.
All right, then, cool. Okay. No, I know of a situation. Well, Emily, this is where the woman is. The eat of the thing. And Richie, Jeremy, and Ruth, you can tell me if this is feasible also. She said, the eat of the thing, one slide off. Right? One, right? You have one and it slide off, right? And left this so. Right? You follow me so far? And left this so. But so the idea was to move that one and put on a different one. But in the heat of the excitement and whatever, him run go for the other one first. And by him come back, him forgot to the one, that's the reason why, him or whatever. I'm going to put on that one there quick and then finish when we finish. And then just forget that one there. You follow me? And if you think about it, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible. Because there have been quite a few instances when, you know, some of them buy the wrong size and it slide off or whatever. I think some buy extra large and there really is beginners or something. I don't know what the term is. And so forth. And they have slide off issues and things. And then depending on the dimensions of the anatomy of the parties involved, you know, there can be some degree of swallowing taking place. Not. No, what you know what I mean? Not literally, you know, not. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, right. But it is certainly possible. Michelle, are you okay? I can't choke, you know. Okay, here we go. Okay, good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Ragashanti. Mr. King.
Hello, yeah.
Yes, sir.
What's
First
up?
time caller, long time listener.
Yeah, man. What's up? What's
Listen
going?
me now. For the thing that the lady just called, I said it's slide off. Probably the man have a wit problem. The scandal bag is a little bit too big.
Right.
However, the lady for the freezing the thing with the water, I've never tried that. But I've freezed the scandal bag itself, and we did our experiment, and using cell phone, you know the cell phone, put it on vibrate. Right, and work with it.
Hold I'm lost. If you freeze the scandal bag.
Right.
And again, we use code, right?
Right.
How you use that in combination with the cell phone?
Listen to me, remember that it won't freeze as in have ice on it and stuff like that, you know, because it have, what should I say now, oil on it. So, it is going to be very, very cold.
Right.
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 So it is going to be pleasuring to both persons.
When it's
Get that?
No, but me not see the cell phone connection.
Listen to me now.
Yeah.
The cell phone now is going to be in the midst of the bottle.
The cell phone is where?
It is going to be in the midst of the bottle.
In the middle of the buckle?
In the midst.
Midst.
So both persons are being pleased by the cell phone. Being on vibration.
So wait, you put the cell phone in
the midst. You're not going to put it where on the lady only, and it's going to be in the midst of the bottle. So both ends will be connecting to two different people. Get it?
No, this is what it's at when I'm going to cuss me on the wall again and say I'm slow, but
listen me now.
Yeah.
The cell phone.
Yeah.
You're going to put it on vibrate.
Put the cell phone on vibrate. Okay,
Right.
good. So just carry me through it step by step, yeah.
Right. But you know, me still have to try my code up. You know.
No, you have to code it up, yeah.
All right. I should say no. The cell phone at one end is gonna be on the male.
Right.
And the other end is gonna be on the female.
Right.
Right. You know the female what should I say now? Or C parts.
Yeah.
Right. So when you ring the phone now, you take another phone and you ring the phone so it vibrates.
Oh, you take another phone, ring the phone, make it vibrate.
So it vibrates. You know they have the vibrating scandal bag, right?
Yes. And again, scandal bag is code here. Yeah, right. I know of the vibrating scandal bag. Right.
So now we don't have the vibrating scandal bag, so we use the vibrating cell phone.
But is the cell phone in the scandal bag?
You not learn, Raga. Listen to me.
No, I think I understand what you're saying, but I just don't see how it. I don't see how it will work for that.
It will work.
Let me see what I'm saying on the word.
It will work, Raga. Probably you need to try it, you know. You need to try it.
You know, so people hear things and them understand it and them don't understand it.
Raga.
Most people are saying them confused too.
Probably was sending a picture up on the wall, you know.
Okay.
If this is not a cartoon picture.
No, honestly to God, if you want thing with me, I don't act like me understand. I don't see how it...
Raga, it's mad. I don't know how you don't know that, Raga.
So which part for the man it go? Which part for the man the phone go?
It is going to be on... Listen to me. Remember, so the man have on this scandal bag, right? Him cold scandal bag already.
Or the man have on film cold scandal bag?
Right. He's up there.
Right.
Him a climb the hill already, you know.
Right.
So him now just rest it there so.
Right.
So it a go rest over back on the lady there so.
Right.
So it a ring now, so it a vibrate, so both people a feel the pleasure. If you know what I mean.
Oh, okay. So the
it's
man.
hard to learn, so Raga.
No. Well, darling, you have to take time with me sometime. I'm not afraid to tell you. With some of them things, I'm slow. So it a respond him and it a respond she.
Which is right. So you just ring the phone now, you get your vibration.
So then
you get the cold sensation, plus it a vibrate.
Okay,
which is right.
Okay. No. I have read where ice has been used there, you know. I have read, right?
Yeah,
and you know when me say me read, you know what I mean? I have read where ice has been used there. So, me see what you said now. So, okay, so he might get some of the vibration too.
Which is right.
And him like that too.
Yeah, man.
You know, I'm going to be honest with you. You know why I never get it? I just wasn't seeing where a man would like the vibration.
Yeah, man.
But I see what. No, I understand what you're saying.
Vibration.
No, I understand what you're saying. No, I understand what you're. Then something like that, you do that and it work and it nice.
Yeah, I got you. You not even know.
No, well, me know. Me know. Say it are nice for you if you rest it right panda spot there.
Which is right.
That local spot there. When I said not no more.
Yes.
So we know about that because that is just like say if you have a vibrator and you're gonna rest it panda spot there. But we just never see the connection with the man. And the cold condom.
It mad.
Okay. Yes, well, that sounds like probably.
As you said, what's the L for? What is the L's for?
What is the what?
The L's. Laugh, learn, and what?
Oh, yeah, man. Laugh, learn, and grow.
Which is right.
Well, that's definitely a situation where you had some growing.
Which, can I tell you? And I'm going to love you and leave you, Raga.
Love me and leave me, darling. Use me and abuse me.
Okay.
All righty then. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Greetings.
Yes, first time caller, long time listener.
All right.
I'm calling about the young lady from yesterday, the 20-year-old, who says that she has sugar daddy, and she had intercourse with a woman and with girls, and she loves the man and she doesn't want to leave him.
Right.
Yes. I was trying to get you from yesterday to comment on the whole issue.
Right.
So she was saying that she's dying for a woman, so I was offering my service.
You're offering your service to her?
Yes, to her.
What you want to do to her?
Whatever she desires.
Okay. When the ladies talk about these things, them talk about butch or femme. What are you? Which one are you?
A butch.
You're a butch?
Yes.
Okay. So what you want to do? Leave your number off the air, and if she call and ask for it, we just give it to her?
That would be nice.
Oh, all right then. I guess Ruth will take your name and number off the air and so forth. But when you say you have a woman who you there with right now?
No, I don't. I'm single.
You're single?
Yes.
For how long now you're single?
Without a woman?
Yeah.
About 3 years.
3 years?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a lesbian or are you bisexual?
I'm bisexual.
You're bisexual. You have a man now to where you're there with?
Not really, no.
No?
Yes.
Okay. When the last time you and a man has interacted?
About a month ago.
About a what?
A month ago.
A month ago, okay.
Yes.
So why you interested in this woman, you know?
I like a challenge. She sounds interesting.
She sounds interesting.
Yeah, she kind of remember me a bit about myself.
Oh, okay. So you want to see what can work out between you and her?
Yes.
All right, then I guess Ruth can take your name and number and things, but you're not easy, you know. You just call in and ask up for things,
I tried so long yesterday to get you. I finished like $300 credit on the whole.
Okay. Sorry.
So when I was calling the cell line, you were busy and I had to try the landline. So
all right.
I called back today.
Well, you sound very determined and focused about this.
Right. I'm a woman who knows what she wants.
You're a woman who knows what she wants.
Yes, I am.
Right. All right. Now you want a man and you want a woman.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It's not that I want man and want woman. You know, in the world that we're living, in the country we're living in, it's very difficult to live the life that I would like to. So,
what's the life?
And a man is just like a cover up.
Are you saying that in Jamaica it's very difficult for to live with a woman, because it's a woman you prefer to be open with your woman who you're there with?
Yes, yes.
Oh, so when you're there with man, you say that is like a cover-up?
Yes, it is.
Oh, you just go and juggle with the man them for to make people too wise to where your love and your heart really there, don't it?
Yes.
But based on the other woman them who you know in this, are there other ladies out there in Jamaica who are pretty thing the same way too, like a really woman them one there with and love for the straight out with, but them just go and juggle with a man in the public?
I would think so.
You would think so, but you don't know so.
No, I couldn't say for certain. I only know about myself.
You only know about yourself. I respect for that. Respect for that. All right, let's say a word then. Bless upon things. Give root your name and number, and if the girl are listening, she call back and want your link. We pass it on for you. Yeah?
All right.
All right, bless it. Okay, we want to add a mix-up to it. Yo, we want all kind of mix-up. We want to mix up them, right? We want to mix up them. Boy. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
What's up?
Yes, it's me.
Uh-huh.
The same girl.
Who?
The same girl that was calling about the two guys and I don't give them them bun.
Oh, yes. You say you're a girl who don't give bun, one.
Yeah.
And you say you have two men and you don't give them bun. So when me ask you is, if you have two men, don't mean say you have bun one with the other one and you did that. But why you give short this story real quick and just tell me now. So, you know, all the two men coming. And you did that talk about the ice and the something, right?
Yeah,
you tell the man, but you never did actually do anything with the ice.
Yes, I'm going to tell her, it melts quickly. So she's telling us it don't melt quickly, it melts quickly.
Oh, so you did actually freeze the water and I can't never use it?
Because I would have to, but he never believed me, so I would have to prove it to him, so I did it.
So you do it, but tell me something now. What Michelle don't understand is that when condom full with water, it come out in a ball, so how you get it for freeze out? You know?
No, that's what he didn't believe either. It shaped out exactly like it. Because when you fill it with water, you put it in the middle of your hand, and it shaped like, you set it in the freezer, a certain kind of way, or you want it to freeze.
Oh, me see what you say. You know, okay. If you hold it up with your hand, the water will go down and it will go over the ball. But if you after you fill it up with the water, you hold it in your hand flat and then tie it and put it in the fridge so it freeze.
Exactly.
Papa Jesus, you really know the thing, Debbie. So when you say you do it, you say after a while it does in fact melt.
Yes, it melts very quickly, very quickly.
It melts very quickly. I guess that probably depends on how hot you are too.
Yeah, and it don't no ice is on the outside.
No ice is on the outside because of the oil liquid. Okay. Yeah. What? Then I want to figure out that and think out them. So, anyway, go and talk. So anyway, him gonna believe say I really saw it go. Then what happened after that?
No, so I have two of them now and we end up with getting a fight and they actually go to station and them lock him up. And they end up spend 2 nights at jail or something, and now we're back together.
Uh-huh.
And I'm now with this one. I'm living with this one. Right now, in mother wait for me to come cook because I'm a cook today.
Yeah.
And
are you a cook today? And in mother wait for you for come cook. Are you a day for cook? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, my day for cook.
Uh-huh.
And him don't know and them don't know about them one another. And first of all, I have 2 of them and I know how I can manage.
You love the 2 of them?
Yeah.
So, then if you live with one, or you get for start out with the other one, or you work?
All right, no, I told him the next one that I live with now.
And you tell him, say, can't go there because your auntie don't like him.
Yes, and
so,
I don't want to know.
Yeah.
I don't want to the house. He believes that I'm working, that's why I can't come back and live with him because he lives too far. So, where me live, if I work and go a female house, I have to pay too much fare.
Oh.
So that's why I'm at home. So sometimes when he drop me off, me tell him that my supervisor drop me off.
You tell him that your supervisor drop you off?
Because my supervisor live in Portmore, so him drop me off at Olaba.
Him drop you off at Olaba?
Yes.
And you tell him that your supervisor live at Portmore?
Yes.
But at Portmore, you live with that one, yeah?
No, same place in Olaba.
Well, a same place in Olaba?
Yes.
But him no know?
None of them no know.
None of them no know, okay.
2 of them believe them are number 1.
So what you say right now? You hello? Hello? Is what happened a while ago? Is what happened? Huh? Yo. She not easy. Yo, you know what Richie, I think all the while for my show and people don't after years what my friend them really understand what me I say. Cause them always say me I that thing. Me tell him say man cannot born as good as woman. right? And one of the arguments I make for that is this. Women are so good at giving bun and so better at telling lie than as opposed to men. That when women tell lie, at the moment when they are telling the lie, it's not a lie. It's the truth. That's why them can ball upon it. That's why them can ball and take God off for the cross upon it. We are always things that we are lie. When women are tell lie, they create this scenario that becomes the truth. And here is a statement I make to my friends that them don't understand. I say, listen, very often when women are give bun, not even them know say them are give bun the way the denial deep. You understand? You hear what she said? She's one of the women who don't give bun. Because she have 2 men and she don't bun them. Yo, hey Richard, I wonder if you realize how deep that is. She says she's not giving bun. One did call one time and say she don't give bun. And for about nearly 5 minutes ago, more than that, she explained that she not give bun, she not give bun. And when we draw her out, she said, well, she do some sharing, but it's not bunning. And then when she explained what she said, no, sharing and bun is 2 different things. The point I'm making is if you ask that woman and fight her and war her and say she give bun, she will bawl and cry because and say she don't give bun. And cause she say you're insecure, you accuse her of something wrong. Because she has a construction that does not put bun in the equation. She has redefined bun to mean sharing. It's all about context as far as she's concerned. That is the level woman function with them for them thing. How the backside you can't beat that. All you have to do is pray God say God reveal something to you one day. You have the courage to say, you know what, kiss out my watch it, not talk about you. Listen, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to read the news. Yo, welcome back up in the city. Now we say Mixup and Blenda straight with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, proper respect indeed. And you know they are with the Mixup family. Jeremy and King, they bought the place. Rowan, they bought the place. Richard Rainford. Root to the Q to the producer for the show. Mud. Michelle Belly as Patty Belly, they are same way. DJ Chris Cross in the building. Mud again. And of course me, the king, Miss Jerry Wash Belly, they are same way. Here we go. Come now, give you a call. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, talk no.
Talk about me.
Yeah, what me? You tell me what me.
Oh, yeah, me tell about this gangster boy. Yeah, when me and him first start, so Raga, we said we are going somewhere, the boy reach the journey start.
Him reach what?
Him destination, when the journey start.
Okay, yeah, you scored. So,
yeah.
Him a gangster boy, a bad man, a shatter.
Yes, sir.
And then he and him for go up on a long journey.
Yeah.
And him reach a journey right to the. So what you say? So you never, so him couldn't bounce back right after that.
No, sir, right did.
Nothing never did so. So you did disappointed?
Very.
Okay, did upsetting though.
Yes, he went going.
Can move like a thug and like a real gangster like him that deal with the thing wicked, don't?
Yeah.
And can't perform, don't?
But
you know, him probably just have a little medical condition the way them have treatment to them thing there, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man, it's called premature ejaculation, and doctors have different forms of treatment for it. So, and any man who might be listening right now, any woman who care about a man who have that problem there, you can gently coax them, you know, to speak to a doctor confidentially, because doctors are familiar with problems like these and know that they should be confidential, and see what them can diagnose in the person, and then prescribe the proper treatment for them. But these things can be treated now. You understand? All right, that's another. But nobody diss him up too much because of that, yeah?
Yeah.
Because when him are going so wicked and are going, them call it overcompensation, because him have that look a problem there. Them just, make the other areas of them life bigger than they need to be. But that's how it go, you know?
Yeah.
All right, then. But that mix up they did I give it, though?
Yeah, one next time I call and tell about this boy, he obsessed with me.
All right, till next time, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up?
Yes, me called earlier. Me just.
Wait, you called earlier?
Yes.
Earlier.
Me just need to confirm something. You see, it was no case when nothing did big. You see, it was actually a rape case.
A rape case?
Yeah.
What you talking about?
The condom.
The condom
Was fine afterward. It was found about 6 months after. Yeah. In a different relationship.
Hold on. You were raped by somebody who used a condom?
Yes.
And then you're saying 6 months after?
Yes, roughly.
Roughly 6 months?
A little bit over.
You were in like a relationship with somebody who you like and whatever?
Then, honestly, no. Me never did anything with nobody before him.
Before who?
The one who raped.
Oh, so when he raped you, that was the first time you had sex?
No.
What?
Me actually a tremble right now.
Okay, I understand.
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying when he raped you, was that the first time you had sex?
For a long while.
Oh, for a long while,
yes.
Okay.
So I know say I did so.
And then after, when that happened, after
Anyways, I go doctor and all of that and get medication and me they tremble like crazy.
So after the rape and you didn't have sex until roughly 6 months later?
Yes.
Okay. And then how them find the condom?
Foreplay, you know?
Huh?
Foreplay and me I tremble.
Oh, it was during foreplay that them find it?
I know them.
Oh, him. Mm-hmm. Sorry, sir. So, if you don't mind me asking, was the foreplay like a little swiping thing?
No.
What finger thing?
Yeah.
Oh, so when him did that engage in a foreplay, him just feel the thing?
Boy, I don't know, you know, but...
No, what I want to know, why him do him just come out with it?
Yes.
No, but then tell me something now. Mm-hmm. You're saying that you were raped and the person who raped you use a condom and the condom
was...
Well,
hold on. More than one attempt with a condom.
I don't understand. What you mean?
Bear with me, I see?
Yes. No, that's okay. Take your time. When you say more than one attempt from one person?
Beg him to use the condom.
Oh, you beg him to use the condom. Oh, I see. Okay. So when you realized you were about to be raped, you didn't want to go...
Beg him to use it.
You beg him to use it because obviously you don't want to contract any disease or anything like that. So you say, since you're going to get raped, at least use a condom.
About a hour and a half, you know, what I wrote.
About an hour and a half it went on for?
Yeah, actually hospitalized for like a week or so.
Okay, I'm very
sorry. Doctor?
Very, very sorry you had to go through that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you went to doctor and then...
Yes.
Yeah, did you report it to the police?
She begged me to report it.
Oh, the doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, and you didn't?
No.
Okay, did the doctor administer what they refer to as a rape kit?
Yeah.
So I'm curious if...
Honestly, we get counseling.
You get counseling, okay.
Yeah, I was sent to Kingston.
You were sent to Kingston for counseling?
Yeah.
Because this happened in the country?
No.
Where?
In Portmore.
In Portmore?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Greater Portmore.
In Greater Portmore, the actual rape happened in Greater Portmore. What was it? Somebody who you knew, or?
Yeah, brief though.
Was it somebody you were talking with for a while?
Yes, and he said, "Mighty good somebody."
Okay.
Christian.
Christian
teacher.
What do you mean? Christian? He's a teacher who is a Christian, or
yes. Yes.
So he's a teacher. What him teach? High school?
No, training institute.
Him teach at a training institute. Don't tell me anymore there. So. But he's a Christian.
Yeah.
And you and him did a talk, look a bit.
Yes. Introduce him to family.
And then one night when him just hold you down and force himself on you.
Me go in yard.
You went to his home, right? And then what happened?
Just use the bathroom, come out, and not even come out good. You know?
Uh-huh.
And just hold me like a little fowl. You know?
Uh-huh.
I mean,
okay, I know you're still trembling. And then it was during that you tell him to use the condom.
Man, when we realize him, I go start.
Right.
Determine, you know.
Right.
So.
Okay. How old were you then?
About 24.
24. I know, and this happened a long time ago, or
No.
About when this happened?
4 years.
Huh?
4 years.
4 years ago.
Yeah.
So what kind of effect that have for you? How that thing that impact you? Yeah. Oh, you're changing any way from it? Like what?
Honestly, when me woke up on any gentleman also.
Yeah.
Them always say me go on like coward, you know.
Yeah.
But.
Okay. All right.
Honestly, yeah.
Okay, but if them use the rape kit and examine you and do the test them and thing, and them still never find the condom with it inside, eh?
No. Me never go on no table go do anything. Me just go to the private doctor.
You go to the private doctor?
Yeah, me go hospital first.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what I mean is they have a specific set of things that they do with a rape kit.
No.
But them never do that. Okay.
Never tell nobody say me rape except the doctor that me go to watch the one where that beg me. Say prison name.
For prison name.
Yes.
So you ever see him after that?
Yeah.
You talk to him?
No.
Him try to talk to you?
Yes. And smile.
Okay. So but you and him not talk? No.
No.
Him go find it and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Him never believe say I don't just him think it just go there.
Not telling the truth. You see?
Yeah.
Me could not make up a story. Me never know how to make up one and tell him so. You know?
Oh, so you tell him the truth what happened to you?
No, I never tell him the truth.
You never tell him the truth?
Mm-hmm. But we could make up a good story.
You couldn't make up a good story. So you make up a story, but it was a little fool story.
To be honest,
yeah.
I never know what me they say. Never remember, but me know say lose it. You know?
Okay, and then after you tell him the story, him just stop talk to you?
Not immediately, you know.
Not immediately.
Yeah.
But from the incident, the relationship just wasn't the same.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, so.
So, but are you much better now?
Physically, yes.
Okay. So, but this incident with the one who find it now and the relationship broke up, how long ago was that?
It was about 3 years. 3 years ago.
Orlando. But 3 years ago that time?
Yeah.
Okay, somewhere around. Okay, because you said it was 6 months, I think. So since then, have you been in any other relationship?
Yeah.
And them, they work all right?
Yeah.
Are you in a relationship?
Never did they no way. So.
Huh?
No, never did go there. So yeah.
Okay, but you're in a relationship now?
No.
No. Have you been able to function okay? Are you comfortable with start out with in your relationships?
Sometime, you know.
Sometime.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Maybe sometimes things just come up back, you know.
Okay.
But don't really want to hold up your time, you know. You know, but you do want to make it, you know, be known say I never did no bad nothing.
Okay.
But that's all right now. Honestly, me did even go ahead and send you an email, you know.
Okay.
Send you an email about that incident there. I did.
Okay.
But I never get no response.
Say that again. You sent me an email. You sent me an email?
Yes.
About this matter?
Yes.
To what email address?
Not on this channel in station. Not when.
Oh, you mean when I was at over the
one, right? You used to give joke and so on Friday.
Yeah.
Yes.
On Friday. Oh, that's at Hot 102.
Yeah.
That was quite a few years ago. Okay.
All
right. If anything, just leave your name and number with Ruth. Here. Just leave, I want you to leave your name and number with Ruth. Here.
Yes.
All right, then good. Oh boy. Hey, I tell you something, man. I go do something out there, for real. Yeah, what will I work with soon for? Telephone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga. How are you?
I am doing quite fine. And you?
But I can romance me with your voice.
No. Just attack.
All right, Raga. Anyway, Raga,
Mm-hmm.
because we big up the entertainer. You see?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, I cut her off. Because we big up the entertainer.
Yeah.
We're moving with a 17-year-old girl
Uh-huh.
in the one bedroom
Uh-huh.
at Olympic Gardens.
Hold on. A big entertainer.
Yeah, what you want him name?
No. Hold on. Richie, start a song. Start a song. The quick, Richie, man, quick.
My nights are no longer cold.
Yeah, man, bongs no. So, yes, Carla.
Yes, Raga.
So, what you said, the entertainer moving, him moving the daughter or the daughter they
He
live?
moving the daughter. He moving pan the woman and her 17-year-old daughter.
Oh,
In
okay.
our one bedroom.
In our one bedroom.
Yes, Raga, one bedroom.
Down at Olympic way.
Yes, Raga. If anybody else know about it, then can call you and tell you.
Okay. Then what you say the mother say, I know.
The mother complain.
So, but you know, a while ago you tell me some mother got child development.
Yes, and them said the pitney are 18 in 3 weeks, so then can't do nothing about it because she's a 17-year-old.
Okay, but them said the pitney are 18 at 3 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
But what the mother complain about? What is the problem?
Well, somebody we know, so she was just telling us about the situation.
Oh,
Yes,
okay. Oh, so him live there?
Eh?
Him live there?
Yes, Raga, him live there. We don't want another pitney.
Then what is problem I know about who to pick up the pitney now?
Him of course said the little girl not to come home from school and they say him pick her up. Because if him go home and see her, in course, him to pick her up. I guess because him drive.
Him drive?
Mm-hmm.
But you know, that's an interesting thing. But tell me something now. Give it that this entertainer wear white often. Why?
Raga.
Raga. Don't call her name, you know.
No, Raga.
Man. Tambourine. Then tell me something. Who wash him white, them?
Why, Raga? Me don't know, sir.
Who wash him white? But you know, you're confused. You think you say entertainer. Which part of that person is an entertainer?
So-called entertainer.
Why? Because when you say entertainer, I think of somebody who is actually an entertainer.
No, the so-called one.
Yeah, and the so-called entertainer.
Yeah. What have you said that part, eh? What's his name?
Well,
All right.
You cannot say any obvious information that with whatever this and that, but whatever. Oh Lord have mercy, man. So him and the mother kick off in there.
Eh?
Him sleep there night time.
Yes, Raga. I said him. Raga, the man live there.
He live there?
Yes.
No, but this entertainer told us that him have this so-called entertainer tell us him have a whole heap of house all about
I wonder which part. Well, him in our one bedroom, I only pick Raga. Make your friend them over there check it out.
All right. Which side of Olympic yard?
No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the side.
Okay. No, man, me have whole heap of my links strong down Olympic yard.
I don't know which side.
Me say me links, don't worry yourself. Hello?
Oh, it don't matter which side. You will get it.
Me say, no worry yourself, man. Let me tell you something. All me have to do a drive for Olympic Ghana. First of all,
and them must see the vehicle.
Well, I can't call me link them right now and get the 100. But all me have to do, either me never know nobody down there. The real my thing said, me have to just drive with my window down and people run out. Rock we here and where me could come show you where. Me could go and go down there.
I see the vehicle on there.
Well, don't you see the nastiness I done me what here, don't it? Yeah. That's why me tell them, say they must leave me alone. Leave me alone. Because I live good with people and see that just like that in file come. But, you know, so what they may talk to Cowboy, you know, superintendent. Cowboy down half a tree there, you know, and thing. And he might tell me, say, I didn't know that the law did change, you know, in terms of the age of consent, that it is now 18.
Yeah.
Me never know. Did you know that, Michelle?
No, 18, not age of consent?
No, it was 16.
Oh, 16.
It was 16. I don't know. I need to confirm, but I think I remember, if I recall correctly, Superintendent Cowboy, you know, did I tell me, said it changed and look up, you know, and so forth. So I'm going to check it and things. So that matter is something else that, but it's interesting that if them go tell child development that them are going to say, no, she'll be 18 in 3 weeks. The law don't work like that.
That's strange because she's not yet 18.
No, well, if the mother said them tell her that, me I tell you, say, for tell the mother say, them did wrong for tell her that.
Of course, them wrong.
The law don't work that way. If the law says something not supposed to happen until that a child is 18 and is 1 day before the 18th birthday, the way the law works, you're guilty that day because the person is not yet 18.
Exactly.
Right? In terms of discretion now, is that the judge may be able to use some discretion and say whatever, but how the law work, if you enforce the law, them shouldn't tell her that. Them shouldn't tell. But you don't know how to wash him white them?
No, sir, I don't know how to wash him then white there.
But me never, then I wait, then at the Illuminati, they tell him, figure. Miss Kitty, why hear that one, yeah? Miss Kitty, we know you're there for RGR, you know, but somebody call Miss Kitty quick and give her the mix up, yeah. Me, the man, need for hear the mix up, yeah, too. Goofy need for hear the mix up, yeah. Somebody call.
Raga. Me just get piece more. Me get to understand, say, the little girl I wash you white them now.
And the little girl I wash you white them? Jesus God, you know, I mean, I wonder why they not wash too good lately,
We get to understand, say, she wash them.
I see I wash the white them, because lately me see the white them a look pinkish, you know.
I see I wash them.
I see a poor thing, little girl can't manage the white them, no. You understand? Yo, somebody call Goofy and give him the mix up here quick. Somebody, no, be the man are there right now, I'm there foreign. Somebody call Miss Kitty and give her the mix up here. We get a ad. You never remember him I done with? You never remember him I done with?
Yes, I remember, man. We listen now here.
No say a word, man. I'm glad that one that come in proper. All right, take care.
All right, you too, Raga.
Yeah, man, blessing. So symbolious. So sad. So sad.
Tacky.
So sad.
Bad.
But the fact that I got it, that makes it so symbolious.
No, sir.
Anyway. Mix up. Yo, to the 4 lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Save. All right, so what else?
General.
Yeah, what's up?
Well, I'm not more for seven.
Don't say anything more. Don't say anything. We're merely repeating phrases that people say, you know? Like, you know, people say, choo-choo-choo. Yeah, some people say zaga, don't it? Some people say, hey, yo, yellow. And some people say, save. So symbolious. All right, so what else?
Ain't said no more. I'm just saying seven.
Okay, all right, Papa. Yo. Come here, one now the white they now look too wonderful.
Them look brownish.
No, the white they look creamy, cream,
them
like half white. You know, people in Jamaica say, no, nice, look at half white, you know.
It never saw nice scandal bag. With the bomber.
No, it never saw with the cake soap, you know.
The bomber.
Yeah. You never saw with the cake soap. The white then now were theme white.
Like I rob bleach, I lost you up on the one day.
She don't know if he use a plastic bag in her son with a lime if you take out the iron mold. Because you know them weird.
I'm picked up a tough, you know.
May I tell you, crusty, crunchy. Lord God, I know them all done
this
me.
made our day.
And tell me, say the Illuminati tell them this and that. You understand? Mad. Here we go to the 4 lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Brother.
Whoa.
Me, the 17 just dropped.
The what?
Like a post on the FB say, the 7 no go turn ya, no I'm see 6. I maybe a 2, because then don't with film like a...
Mad. You see?
Besides him off Larry boss.
No, say that F word there.
Mistake, Papa, mistake. You can't show film face that road again.
No. You are mistaken there, you know. Worse than this has happened to that fella, and him don't care. Him will just come out and him will talk something.
Oh.
He would talk up something and whatever, and make up a story and say this and that and Illuminati and millions of dollars where him have and whatever.
If I want him, I do again in cash. Show him face to you again.
No, well, I'm not pay him no money. Hey, that's how long him a try draw me.
Well, I'm affiliate still no, cause we don't know the things that
no, you know what film MO is? If something not go on for you, him target you and trouble you. Then hold on. Let me tell you what him do now. Then you see if you go make the mistake and go respond to him, him feed off of that and just talk up some things about you. And him just egg you and go on. And hold on, and then you see any you go say something bad about him or chuck him or something, him go straight to the police. And him don't stop until the police take a report and say, I'm going to go to the superintendent, I'm going to do this and that. Once the police take the report, you know where him go after that? Him go every media house, and tell each one of them, say, everybody else want this story from him because they hear about it, but I just you, me, I go give. And then him go around to everybody. And then him try for then make a scene out of it, and I saw him get film publicity and him currency and things like that. And still
because this man now no hit song in no album in
no. But you see with him now, no care what him say about you, you just bill. You just chill and bill. Yeah, man. Me just him dead attack up the things and whatever, and thing and him rinse up a colleague of mine name and shit I go do something. I say, what you do? Tan where you there? What you mean? What you gonna do? Stay where you're there. Right. No matter do nothing. Allow him. Who is it? You don't leave him alone. And thing, I'm just tell her to chill, bill, and leave him.
Exactly. When you get attacked in the heel of your shoes, you just flick it out and keep walking, no?
Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. And when I say, if you go war, you're not war fool. You know what? When you go war fool for, you make yourself look like an idiot. You're there war fool. You understand? Well, you know what foul and good, man.
2 shilling worth.
Man has a respect.
All
right, Papa. Not say a word. Yeah. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up?
Hi, Raga. How are you?
Well, I'm there. Well, how your voice soft and sweet, sir?
I am soft and sweet. And
talk up to me. Talk up
to me. A nice Indian lady talking to you.
You're a nice Indian lady.
Yes, I just want to say how much I enjoy your show.
I really do appreciate that.
And I want you to bring on the in-laws show again for my purpose.
Okay, you want to bring back in-law mix-up?
Yeah, man.
All right.
I want to hear it.
No, that did shot. That you have a good in-law mix-up you can't give it right now?
Not really, you know.
But then so when that time they come at that time you gotta have the mix-up?
That's the time I'm going to burst it out.
At that time you want to burst it out?
Yes.
When the topic are going?
Yes.
All right, that's our word then.
I love you know, the way you're conducting your program.
Thank you.
I'm learning a lot.
Thank you so much.
And say hi and hello to all the folks around there for me. I'll get back to you in the new year.
All right.
God bless.
You take care.
New year.
All right, then, sweetie.
Okay,
you take care. Good. Nice. Here we go to the phone line again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, afternoon. Raga.
Whoa.
Me I call me Skitty, but me I tell us I line busy bad. Trust me. Like Aja, Black it.
Okay.
Trust me, man. Me Skitty need to walk out and done that idiot, man. She need to come out and fully and done him.
You see it. All right.
Listen, the boy do that underage.
No, man. She will hear though.
Me know you need to pay a jar. You need to BBM her no, man. I want to sing to her no, man. Kitty need to hear this. This I can't stay in a Raga. This can't pass her like, you know. This I go for ear before she hear it. She need to roll over.
No, somebody. Trust me, man. The power of the thing there, you know. So trust me, somebody should get BB already, man. Somebody tell her already, man. Somebody send the message again. Somebody send a mix-up again. That I mean, it's a patient, you know. When I kick up and I go on for me, I just drop back and I say,
you remember the boy that I done, yeah?
Yeah, on TV and beer things.
I'll be. But you see, I just love how the bill still in and just not pay him no mind. Because guess what? It's a waste matter.
Exactly.
It's a waste matter. You can't waste time for anything there.
Right. Excrement.
All right?
All right.
Cool, Raga.
Blessings. What's wrong with you? Oh, what? Well, the most people would like that. I used
that
one of
was their moment.
No, I used one of their words, man. Excrement. They love that. I imagine bossy people them across one another. And thing. You know, we will keep it real.
Yeah.
I must say, she's just excrement. Ignore her. She's pure brown excrement.
Lord God.
Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah,
Whoa.
You know, me call her around and we talk, and I keep a show a movie that day, Sunday. What is show name again? The jokey show. You know what name again? Anyway, the same brother in the funny program. And you know, sir, I cheer and cheer man boo him off the stage, so.
Him get boo off of the stage?
Then I hear that.
No.
Oh, you don't hear that?
No, but you see him now, you see if you ask him what happened.
If you boo and cheer that off the stage.
Either you say, I know him or somebody set him up or something.
Come wonder what the blows are when they do that, no?
Okay.
Come wonder why am I do that? When me say that on the program.
So him get cheer and boo off of the stage.
Yeah, man, all twins come up and mash him down to man.
And done him.
Man, and they don't know where he get team hype from because all I know is in good funny and he can draw what in graphic or what them things. He call up all the names there.
In call up my...
Yes, and they talk about man who got no pizza and call it Ragashanti.
Nobody must start giving to me, man.
Listen, me and my wife video and me say, but why they play program do they give us so like a picture? You know you give them picture them.
Yeah, man.
You look for me, say, what is up? This is still a nice road, because I don't know why I'm for.
You see, no, man, he no stop down, my man. Him no stop down.
This funny man, but, hey, Blacker, I feel boy still, you know.
Who?
Blacker.
Oh, Blacker. Yeah. No, Blacker.
Me say the man, when the man cook for this year, I want a few songs he start with, you know. This song I use it in your thing, you know.
What that?
This song I use for it when he sing one song about you, man. One mix-up song about you for your program, man.
Yeah, they don't know Blacker the king of sketelism, man.
Yo, me say the man dig up your big time, man. I feel boy that.
No, man. Yeah, man, I'm a link, man.
Yes, man, he big up your big time, man.
Spangler straight, you know.
I boo them boy, man, about stage.
I boo the white suit, boy.
I boo the white suit, man, about stage.
A white him did I wear again?
White, yeah, then I'll see white him here.
Okay.
We're testing in spot, man.
All right, then. A blessings here.
Let's see it to you, my brother.
Let's see a word, man.
I respect honor for everything.
Manners and respect, man. Protection.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. One more call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, brother.
Whoa. Yes.
Long time listener, first time caller.
All righty.
All right, I want girl come mix up with a ex-soldier. Who was married to a house mechanic.
An ex-soldier who was married to who?
A house mechanic.
A house mechanic? Who is a house mechanic?
Domestic helper.
A domestic helper, okay.
And him leave for him basic school teacher. Him leave the wife.
Yeah.
For basic school teacher.
Yeah.
And every time him call the wife, when him not give the wife the money, you know, and the wife asking him, say to the wife, say, remember saying, now you're good job, you know, and she's a domestic worker.
Right.
Right? So, he said, remember saying, you're a good job, you know. And he left and go live with the school teacher, the basic school teacher.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
So anyway, what happened now? Every time he not have no money, he might call the domestic worker.
Okay, my call back she. Yeah.
Yeah. When it come on to Christmas now, he wants the wife now to be a cake. But the school teacher right now no say he must married, you know. He no say my married man.
Okay. The school teacher don't know that.
No.
Yeah.
Every time he might go look for the wife to get whether lunch money and bus fare or Christmas cake. He have on the same shoes where him left her with. How much years ago? Soap.
Okay. All right. Now send out the respect for that mix up that we have got cut here now, yeah?
Oh, new time.
Yeah. We have to leave like 5 minutes early, them say. Rule
all
up.
Right.
Huh? Mm-hmm. All right then, cool. Yeah, it's all about Raga Pan CVM at sunrise tomorrow, 6 o'clock again. Morning show and thing. We're going to juggle upon that and go on with the things. You see? Take care of yourself, people and things.